So guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible, guys? Please respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Now please respond to me. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. And so, what topic here we are understanding? Steps to prepare first Java application. The topic here we are understanding there. Yeah, Java application development. In steps to prepare first Java application. So what content here we are understanding there? If you observe this, the first one is download and install Java software. Second one is download and install Java editor. Open Java file and write Java program. Save Java file. Compile Java file. Execute Java application. They are the 6 steps here what we are having. Okay, good. After that, download and install Java software. Here I started there. Inside this download and install Java software, first of all, download Java software. Mainly three versions of Java here I have downloaded. What are the three versions of the Java here? Java 6, Java 7, then what next one here? Java 8. Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. These three versions. Java 24 version also I have downloaded, but I have not installed. Why? Because there's a problem actually. Okay, then later I will show that. Then by installing the Java 24 version, what we are going to get, then I'll show that. Don't worry for it. Then after this, installation of the Java software. Here I given some steps for it. Double click on the respective exe file. Click on the next button like this. All the steps. So max next buttons. But in general, by default, the Java software is going to be installed inside the program files folder. But I don't like to install it under program files. Just I want to install it outside of the program files. So because of that reason, I given all the steps now. So Java 6 version installation process I shown. Similarly, we have to install Java 7 and Java 8 versions. After that, configure path environment variable. Installation of the Java software is not sufficient to use all Java commands in the command prompt. Here we have to configure Java software to the path environment variable in order to make available all Java commands to the command prompt. Okay, fine. In how many ways we are able to set path environment variable? There are two ways to set path environment variable. One is temporary setup, and other one is what their permanent setup. Temporary setup, to set the path environment variable temporarily, we have to use the following command in the command prompt. What is the command here we have to use there? Set path is equal to c:/java slash jdk some version slash bin. Up to bin here we have to set path environment variable. Path environment variable here we have to set up to like what there bin. Up to bin here we have to set. Understand it now? After this, after completion of this point here, so multiple versions I have installed there. Multiple versions I set the path environment variable. So I shown that clearly on command prompt now. Okay, but guys, now observe carefully. There is a drawback with this temporary setup. What is the main problem with the temporary setup now? Observe carefully. Right, sir. The main problem with the temporary setup is temporary setup is the provided path environment variable setup is available up to the present command prompt. The provided path setup is available to the up to the present command prompt, not available to the other command prompts. Not available to the other command prompts. That's it. All of you understand it clearly. The provided path environment variable is available up to the present command prompt. not available to the other command prompts. So the provided path environment variable setup is up to the present command prompt. It is not available to the other command prompt. That's the point here we have to understand. Okay. Now let me check that process. Okay. Now I want to show this point clearly. Okay. Right. Sir. Guys, then one more question here I'm asking there. I think this classroom notes, all of you are accessing this classroom notes. Am I right? Everybody, all of you are accessing this classroom notes, right? I think already I given that classroom notes to everybody. No, no, no. Then in the same folder share I have given to you. In the same folder I prepared the documents. The documents are available to all of you. Actually, I created a folder. I given that share for the folder. What folder I share? Share I have given there. Core Java folder share here I have given there. So inside this core Java only here we are able to have all the documents so that we can get it. Okay. Yeah. Then just access with the same link. Access it now. There we can see Java application development document. There we are able to get it. Right. It's okay, guys. Yeah. Now let me open my Windows operating system here inside my system now. I have already opened it. Windows operating system. Now in Windows operating system, just I want to open a command prompt, and before that I want to show the location where I have installed my Java software direct in C drive, Java folder. Inside this, now here all these many Java folders are created. Java softwares are installed here. Like three versions of Java have been installed here. At each and every version, two folders are created. One is for JDK, another one is for what there JRE. That both can be created now. Understand it? Now. Okay. Right. Now in this scenario, so what I'm telling there. Now these are the locations here I'm telling there. Now let me open command prompt here. Command prompt. Now object carefully. Now this is one command prompt. Now first of all, let me open Java C space version here if I provide now. What we are getting there, Java C is not recognized. Guys, now tell me, if I get the message like this, Java C is not recognized like this, so what I have to do? What I have to do? That means Java C command is not available to the command prompt now. So, and what I have to do? Come on, respond for me. Yesterday we understood this. The Java software, Java command is not available to this. I have installed it. That we understood already. I have installed it, but I have installed it, but it is not recognized here. So what I have to do? Everybody, respond for me. What I have to do? Everybody, guys, now respond for me. Yes, we have to set path environment variable. We have to set what there? Path environment variable. Okay. Now here what we are doing now, set a path is equal to JDK bin we have to set. JDK inside the JDK bin folder is available. After that here we have to set. Where it is available here no, now it is available here. Any JDK here we can take no. Now I want to take like what JDK 1.8.0 bin. Now get that location here I want to copy. Control C. Now I'll keep that inside the command prompt here. Control V semicolon. Now here I can specify this Java C space hyphen version. Guys, now observe carefully. Now I'm asking this question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. What's the question here I'm asking there? Now here I set path environment variable. This is it. What this is in what? Is it in temporary setup or permanent setup? What it is actually? What type of path environment? What type of setup here I provided here? Is it a temporary setup or permanent setup? Just now I provided some setup here. Temporary setup or permanent setup? Okay. It's like what there temporary setup. That's nice, guys. Then temporary setup here we provided now. If it is temporary setup now, then what is its scope actually? What is its scope actually? What is its scope? Up to how many? Up to how much it is available here now? It's available up to that means for how many command prompts now? Its scope is max what? What is its scope actually? Its scope is up to the current command prompt. It is available up to the current command prompts. Understand it clearly? It is available up to the current command prompt. It is not available to the it is not available. It is not available to the other command prompts now. So I want to prove that. Now this is one command prompt here what we are having. Now observe carefully. This is one command prompt. Now I want to open another command prompt, guys. Now observe carefully. CMD here I open it. Now another command prompt here we are getting. This is another command prompt. Inside this another command prompt, Java C hyphen version here if I specify now, what we are getting, sir? In another command prompt here, what we are getting there? Again, Java C is not recognized. Right, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Like this here we are getting some message or not? Yeah, definitely here we are getting this message, so it is not available. That provided path environment variable is not available to this command prompt. So what we have to do now, again what we have to do, wait, answer for it again, what we have to do. In the new command prompt also, what we have to do, in the new command prompt also, what we have to do, just we have to set path environment variable. In the new command prompt also, here we have to set what their path environment variable. Okay, right, sir. So for the purpose, then what I have to do there, set the path is equal to, there already I copied this path, no, sorry. Already copied this path here previously, just I provided this and semicolon. Now here we are going to click on the center button. Now here if you observe this Java C space hyphen version, now here we are getting the Java C 1.8.0 underscore 202, that here we are getting. Okay, now as per our requirement, one more time here I'm going to show this. Now observe carefully. One more command prompt here I'm going to open, guys. Now observe carefully. One more command prompt. One more command prompt here I'm going to open. Now again here what I'm going to check there, Java C space hyphen version. What we are getting there, Java C is not recognized. Guys, now tell me, you only tell me what I have to do again. So now again Java C is not available. So what we have to do? What I have to do? Again here I have to set like what their path environment variable. Again we have to set what their path environment variable. Okay, that's it. So what's the conclusion here we are able to get? Yes, definitely I'm able to set path environment variable. Right, so now set path is equal to C Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 bin. Up to this bin here we provided. It's okay now. Here we are able to get it. Alright. So now tell me, what is the conclusion here we have to get by seeing this total environment? By seeing this total process, now what conclusion here we are getting? What conclusion here we are getting by seeing this total environment? Here the conclusion. Here the conclusion is what? The temporary setup is available up to the present command prompt. It is not available to the other command prompts. The temporary setup is possible for the present command prompt. It is not available to the other command prompts. This is exactly the conclusion here we have to provide. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Okay. So if you want to prepare our applications, or if you prepare our application, if you want to compile and execute our application, every time if you open the command prompt, then immediately what we have to do, every time we have to set path environment variable. Every time we have to set what their path environment variable. But who are going to do this every time, every time how we are going to perform this? It's a time based process or not? It's a kind of like what the difficult process or not? When we open command prompt, there we have to perform like what there. When we open command prompt, every time performing, providing this path environment will be set up in the sense, it's a difficult process. No developer will do this. Okay. Now here I want to have an automatic process. Automatic process in the sense, there we have to go with what their permanent setup. There we have to go with what their permanent setup. That's it. There we have to go with what their permanent setup. Observe carefully. So that's the reason why I'm going to close all these command prompts. Okay? Just I shown that practically how it is going to be available. Just can we understand it now? Now here I need to go with what their permanent setup. Yeah. Now let me write that information here. Not available to other command prompts. No, that's fine. So if you want to make available all Java commands to all the command prompts, or if you want to make available all Java commands throughout the system, that is to all command prompts, all command prompts, then we have to set Then we have to set the path environment variable, path environment variable permanently. Then we have to set the path environment variable permanently. That's it. Permanent setup. How we are going to set path environment variable permanently? Temporary setup here we provided here. The next one is like what the path environment variable permanent. Permanent setup here we have to provide. Okay. That's it. How we are going to provide permanent setup now? To set the path environment variable permanently, we have to use the following steps. What steps here I'm going to provide, guys? Now observe carefully. Points by point here I'm going to provide you. Now try to understand it clearly. 1 minute. Let me minimize all of them. Yeah, it's okay. Guys, all of you know, now tell me here, on our desktop we are going to have my computer or not? On the desktop here we are having my computer. My computer or this PC. It's clear? Guys, then all of you please respond for me. I'm asking some questions to you. Quick responses are required. In general, on our desktop, what you are going to have there? You are going to have this PC or my computer, something else, right? They right click on it. They right click on it. In my system, it's not available. No need to worry for it. Right click on it. Or else maybe file system is available here. File system is available here. File system is available. Now just a folder is available. File explorer is available. Select it. There here we are having this PC. Wherever it may be. Wherever we are having this PC, there we have to right click now. Right click on it. Right click on it. Right click on this PC. Okay. Then after this, right click on it. Now just select what their properties. Select what their properties. Right click on this PC. Select the properties. Right. So now step number one is what they right click on this PC. Now select the properties. Select the properties. When we select the properties, now here we have to select what they click on advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. Click on the advanced system settings. If you click on the advanced system settings now, select advanced. By default selected here. Select the advanced tab. Of course, by default selected. No need to think about it. By default selected. After this, click on environment variables button. Click on the environment variables button. Let me click on this environment variables button. Now here we have to understand user variables and system variables. Two parts are available. Then better to go with what they are. User variables up to the present user settings here we are going to provide. If you go with the system variables now, it will be available to every user of your computer. But at present here I'm having only one user, myself now. So here we have to go with what they are. User variables path here, user variables. Right, sir. Now go to user variables and where check whether path environment variable is available or not. If it is not available, click on new. If it is available, click on edit button. So the other things, if it is not available, click on new, or if it's already existed, click on edit. Okay. That's now. Let me provide the details here. Go to the user variables user variables part, and search for the path environment variable, path environment variable. Here what I am telling there, If the path environment variable, the path environment variable exists, then click on the edit button, and add add new value, add new value, add new value C colon slash Java slash JDK 1.8.0 underscore 20 bin. That's it. Add this one. Let me show this. Already now it is registered here. I selected this path. Now click on edit button. Now get new. Click on new here. Now just I have to add that new environment. Sorry, I have to add that one there. New value. That's it. And click on what button? Can OK button. Click on OK button. That's okay. Now it is available. Can in the case if it is not available, then I have to click on what button? Can new button? Can I have to click there. Right, sir? Right, sir. Now B option B. If the path environment variable does not exist, then click on the new button and provide the following details. What details here we are going to provide there? Variable name, path, variable value. What is the value here we provided? That's it. Then after that, click on OK button. That's enough. Automatically here we are able to get it. Now observe carefully. Already in my system, it is available here. I clicked on edit button. I added this one here 1.8.0 underscore 202 bin that I provided. It's okay. Click on OK button. It's okay. But assume it if it is not available. Let's assume it if it is not available with me. Now click on like what button here? No, next button. New button. Variable name here. I need to provide the path. Variable values like what? Just click on this paste it now. The location can just click on what button here? OK button. If I click on OK button, automatically that path is going to be provided. That variable will be created and the path is going to be created. But in my system already it is available, so I added that new value. Path is already existed. I added new value. So because of that reason, I'm going to cancel it. It's already existed with me now. That's okay. Now click on what button here? OK button here we have to click, and OK button here we have to click. Now here we have to close everything. Alright, sir. After this, after completion of this part here, then what we have to do now? If we complete this content here, then what we have to do there? Whenever we completed this part here, okay, right. So now this is the permanent setup here we provided, and finally here we clicked on like what there. Now here seventh step here, what we have to provide there? Yeah, click on the OK button. That's finished. Automatic permanent setup is going to be completed. Right, so then how we are going to check the permanent setup, guys? Now, if it is available or not, that to check the permanent setup now, to check the permanent setup, to check the permanent setup, open multiple command prompts, and use and provide the Java C command. Then we are able to see the Java C command functionality. Then we are able to see the Java C command functionality in the command prompts. That's it. So now the same thing here I'm going to see. No, now here I set up that path environment variable permanently. When I set the path environment variable permanently, there here I have to confirm it. I have to check for it now. So here what I have to do, guys, now tell me. Let me open command prompt. One command prompt. Now I'm going to open that new command prompt here. Open it. When I open this new command prompt, just directly Java C space a hyphen version here if I provide now, there we are getting it. Guys, now tell me, have I set any path environment variable temporarily? Have I set any path environment variable temporarily? Come on, guys. Have a set in a path environment variable temporarily? No. Directly here we are getting permanent setup. No. When I open command prompt there, when I provide this Java C, automatically here I'm getting like what there. That path automatically here we are getting like what there. The Java 1.8 version here we are getting it. It's okay now. I want to close this. Just other command prompt here I'm going to open here. Let me open this another command prompt here again. Another new command prompt here. If I use this Java C space hyphen version, then again here what we are getting there now. Java C 1.8.0 underscore 202 here we are getting it now. Just open any number of command prompts now. Not even here now. Now open any number of command prompts here. Again, I'm going to open another command prompt here now. The still here what we are getting there. Java C space version here if we provide now. There here we are getting Java C 1.8.0 underscore 202 that here we are getting. That's it. So this is exactly the meaning of like what is the permanent setup here. Permanent setup here what we are getting now. It's okay guys. Now here this point here I shown that to you. Now here I have some multiple questions on this total process guys. Interview questions. No. Here we have to answer for it. Almost all the questions answers you aware clearly. Almost all the answers, all the questions here we aware there. All the questions and answers you aware as per our knowledge, as per our present knowledge. So here we have to answer for my questions. Clear. Now the first question is. Now the first question is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? This permanent setup does not apply to all Java versions. No? Yeah, now answer for it, then we are able to understand it clearly. Yeah, already we have seen that. Already we have seen that previously. Already we have seen that. This permanent setup, does it apply to all Java versions? Of course, we can apply it. All Java versions in the sense, definitely we are able to apply it. No problem. We can set path environment variable like this. Okay. Right, so now is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? Answer is what? Answer is what? Come on, guys. Here we have to give answer for it. Yes. Answer is what there? Yes. Yes. Answer is yes. It is possible to install more than one Java version, more than one Java software in a single computer. But we have to use the following conditions. But with the following conditions. But with the following conditions. Some conditions are available, guys. What are the various conditions here we are able to get? No, some conditions are available. Now let me pair up these conditions here. First of all, make sure all Java softwares are the operating system compatible. Make sure all the operating systems, all the Java softwares, all the Java softwares, all Java softwares, all Java softwares, all the Java softwares are operating system compatible. What's the meaning of it? No, what's the meaning of it? No, make sure all Java softwares are operating system compatible. What's the meaning of it? So at present, if I'm using Windows operating system, all Java softwares we have to download Windows respective Java softwares only. All here we have to download Windows respective Java softwares only, not like what their other operating systems. For example, if I'm using Windows, no Windows related Java softwares only we have to download, we have to install. On Windows operating system, Linux Java softwares are not working. On Linux operating system, Windows operating system provided Java softwares are not working. So it's totally depending on like what operating systems here we have used there. The same operating system compatible Java software here we have to provide. Okay, this is one point. Okay, right, so that's okay. The second one is what there. Make sure all Java softwares are of different versions. All Java softwares are of all Java softwares must be of different versions, not like same version. Not like same version. Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, three versions can I installed. Three versions can I install. Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, three versions can I have installed. Here. Understand it clearly. So multiple versions, different versions, not same version, different versions can we have to install. When we set multiple path environment variable, then command prompt will take the highest version is that right? No, no. First of all, tell me, is it possible to set multiple path environment variables in a single command prompt? Is it possible to set multiple path environment variables? No. Hmm? No. Only one path environment variable per system. Okay, right, sir. Just let me complete it. We will get some clarity, guys. Don't be hurry. Now, one then almost all the points that I'm going to provide here. Now, let me complete it now. So, first of all, then I think all of you might be aware about it. Whatever the question here I've asked for that, I think you are already understood that. Now, tell me, guys, all of you now tell me, is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? Now, what is your answer here? Yes, it is possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer, but with the following conditions. What conditions can we provided here? Now, condition one is what there. Make sure all Java softwares are operating system compatible. At present, whatever the operating systems here we are having there, with the same compatible to that operating system, we are downloading that all Java softwares or not. That here we have to understand. Then after that, make sure all Java softwares must be of different versions or not. Why? Because Java 6 version two times I want to install in the sense not possible. Okay, Java 7 version two times we want to install in the sense not possible. So all Java softwares must be of like what the different versions that here we have to understand. It's okay now. This is completed here. That here we have to understand. After that, I have one more question, guys. Now understand it clearly. What is that another question here? Now observe carefully. If you install multiple Java softwares in a single computer, if you install multiple Java softwares in a single computer, then which Java software will be available will be available to the command prompt will be available to the command prompt. Guys, please all of you respond to me. All of you are getting my question here. Are you understanding my question here? What's the question here I'm giving here? Now tell me. If you install multiple Java softwares in a single computer, then which Java software will be available to the command prompt? So forget about the latest version and all the content, guys. Now just up to Java 6, Java 7, Java 8 here I provided. No, that's it. That only that point sir I'm telling to you. Now observe carefully. Okay, now let me check for it. I want to give answer for it. Right, sir. For example, now I'll go to the system here. Now in my system, how many Java softwares I installed, sir? Now tell me. How many Java softwares I have installed in my Windows operating system? Now tell me. How many Java softwares I have installed in my system? Now tell me. Yeah, three Java softwares here I have installed in my system, guys. It's okay. Yeah, now even though I installed three Java softwares now here which Java version here I'm getting there in my system. If I open command prompt, no permanently I specify here. Now set path is equal to I'm going to provide temporary setup something like what there. Now see Java JDK 1.6.0 _ 45 that here I'm going to provide there. Now see this. Now here I'm providing this. Now here we are able to get Java C space hyphen version. What we are getting, sir? 1.6 here we are getting. Next, this time here what I am providing here, set path is equal to. Now this time I am going to provide. I'm going to provide JDK 1.7.0 underscore 80 bin now. This location here I want to copy. I copied this. I'll paste it. Now 1.7 here I provided. Now here what we are able to get now, Java C space hyphen version. Now here we are getting 1.7.0 version. Okay. Now okay. For example, if I set Java, if I set Java 1.8 version bin, let me copy this. Now set path is equal to 1.8 here if we provide no Java C hyphen version here what we are getting here 1.8 version. So what's the meaning of this point, guys? Now tell me. So which version we set to the path environment variable, that version will come to the command prompt. Which Java software we set to the path environment variable, that Java software will be available to the command prompt to use. Guys, all of you are getting clarity? Are you understanding the conclusion here? Are you getting the conclusion, guys? Now tell me. All of you are getting conclusion there? Which Java software we set to the path environment variable, that version, that Java software here we are able to get in our command prompt. Right, sir. Now let me copy this one also. I want to. Right, so now I'm going to give answer for this question here. Right, sir. If we install multiple Java softwares in a single computer, then the Java software which you set to the path environment variable, then the Java software which you set to the path environment variable will be available to the command prompt. Will be available to the command prompt. Okay. Now example here I am providing the now object carefully. Here we set 1.6 version. Here we are getting 1.6 version. Okay. Here we set 1.7 version. Here we are getting 1.7 version. Here we set 1.8 version. Here we are getting 1.8 version. That's okay, guys. This is the point here we are understanding there about this. Okay, fine. Still I have another question, guys. Now everybody understand this. No, I have another question now. What's my next question here? Everybody understand it? No. My next question is right, sir. If you install multiple Java softwares in a single system, in a single computer, and if we set the multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, then which Java software will come to the command prompt. Now previously what I said, if I install more than one Java software in a single computer, which Java software will come to the command prompt? That's the question previously. There we provide the answer is what there, which Java software we set to the path environment variable, that will come to the command prompt. Now my question is what there, if I set multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, if I set multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, which Java software which Java software will come to the command prompt? Guys, now please first of all confirm to me. All of you are understanding my question? Have you understood my question? Are you understanding this question? What I am asking now? Guys, now are you understanding my question? Yeah. If you install multiple Java softwares in a single computer and if you set the multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, then which Java software will come to the command prompt? Right. So now I want to show this point practically. Observe carefully. The same command prompt here I'm going to provide here. Now observe carefully. Set a path is equal to multiple versions here I'm going to set. First of all, I want to set with what there Java 6. No bin no. This location I'll copy. I'll paste here. Semicolon. Next, I'll copy the Java 7 version. ZK 1.7.0 bin now. I'll copy this. Semicolon. Here, I'm going to get 1.8 version. Bin now. Let me copy this. I paste this. Semicolon. Guys, now tell me to the path environment variable, how many Java versions can we set there? To the path environment variable, how many Java versions I set there? How many Java softwares I set to the single path environment variable? Come on, guys, everybody. Answer for my question. No, three. So one is Java 6 version. Next one is a Java 7. This is Java 6 version. This is Java 7 version. And the next one is what the Java 8 version. Right, sir. Now I set all three versions to the Java software. Then what here we are able to get? What version will come to the command prompt? If I set all three. Guys, now observe carefully what I am telling to you. Now tell me here which version I set as the first one in the order. Which one I set as the first one? Everybody must give response now. In the order, three Java softwares, three Java versions. Which Java software I set as the first one? Right, sir. 1.6 as the first one here I provided. Okay. Second one is what? Second one is what? Second one. 1.7. Second one is what there? 1.7. Third one is what? Third one is what? 1.8. Third one is what? 1.8. Okay. Now let's understand it clearly. Observe carefully. Java C space hyphen version. If I provide this, what we are able to get? If I provide this, then what we are able to get? Now understand it clearly. Let me click on enter button. Now what version here we are getting, sir? What version here we are getting now? Come on. What version here we are getting there? First one here we are getting. First version here we are getting. Okay, nice. Now let me check for it again. The total here we are getting now. Now this time what I am going to do there. Now see this one. After copying this, I want to delete this here as a first one. I paste here. Guys, now check the order now. Which Java software is the first one now? Yeah, same experiment we can do it permanent setup also. No problem. The same results we are able to get. Now temporarily I'm showing that we can do the same thing with the permanent. In permanent also here we are able to get the same. Now tell me guys. Now which version is the first one here? Which version is the first one here? Right, 1.7. Click on it. Java C space a hyphen version. Click on enter button. Now here what we are getting here? 1.7 version here we are getting. Right, sir. Similarly, now here what I am telling now, observe carefully. Now here I copied this. I am deleting 1.7 as the first one. Now guys, now tell me which version is the first one now? Now check it. Which version is acting as first one? Which version is first one? So 1.8 version is acting as the first one. Now let me check for it. Okay, now Java C space hyphen version. What you are getting here? 1.8 version here we are getting. Guys, now tell me. Then what we are getting now? 1.8 version here we are getting. So now tell me what is the conclusion here? What is the conclusion here we are getting now? Come on guys, what is the conclusion here we are getting here? What is the question here we are providing here? If install multiple Java software in a single computer and if you set the multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, then which Java software will come to the command prompt? That's the question here. Alright, sir. Now, if we install more than one Java software and if we set if we install more than one Java software in a single computer, and if we set multiple Java softwares to the path and to a single to the path environment variable, path environment variable to the path environment variable, then the Java software which we provided as the first one in the order will be available to the command prompt. That's it. Answer is very clear. Now let me check this. If we install more than one Java software in a single computer and if we set multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable, then the Java software which we provide as the first one in the order will be available to the command prompt. That's it. Clear. It, if it always take the first given version, then what's the point of specifying other one? Just it is a testing process only. In general, nobody will provide more than one Java software to the single path environment variable, guys. Guys, now just this is testing process only, testing point of view only. Maybe chance are available to get this type of questions for your knowledge purpose only. I'm giving that, but so definitely may have question now. Then what is the use of providing that second and third Java version? So nothing. Just as a testing, nobody will set more than one Java version to the single path environment variable. Always people are setting only one Java version to the path environment variable. Got it? Got it? What I'm telling you now. So no use. Does if you send the second and third in the order third Java software is there, then it is no use. We are not going to use them. Only first one we are able to get. Okay, right, sir. Clear? Yeah, people are asking questions only, but they are not confirming then yes or no, or they are not giving any reply for me. So continuously, I'm giving answers for all the questions, guys. Right, but if you are not giving response, no, then how I can understand it now? Whether my information is reached to you or not? At least if you, especially the people, those who are asking questions, no, I'm giving immediate reply, no. Immediately we have to give some response, no. Yes, okay, understand, or something else. Then I will move forward. Otherwise, then what I'm thinking that still you're not understanding. I have to stay there. I have to talk more. Okay, good, nice, thank you. Yeah, this is one thing, guys, and then one more point here I'm asking there. Okay, then one more point. Now let me go for this question here. But this answer you already aware. You have to give answer for this question. Next question here. And before that, I have to paste it actually. Example code here I provided. No, yeah, it's okay. Hmm. Next question here I'm asking there. You have to give answer for this question. Next question. Everybody might be aware about this question here. We have to give answer for it. What's my next question now? Observe carefully. If we set Java 1.8 version, if we set Java 1.8 version to the path environment variable permanently, and Java 1.6 version, if we set Java 1.8 version to the path environment variable permanently and Java 1.6 version to the path environment variable temporarily, then which Java software will be available to the command prompt. You have to answer for this question, guys. You have to answer for this question. Waiting for it. You have to answer for this question. Yeah, now let us see this one. Guys, now let me check it. What version is available permanently? Right click on it. Properties. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Advanced environment variable. Come on, guys. What is available permanently? Edit now. In permanent 1.8 is available. Okay. Click on OK button. 1.8 is available permanently. Nice. On command prompt, just I want to provide set the path is equal to 1.6. I want to set 1.6. I want to provide. Already we have tested, sir. Then no need to waste our time here. Already we have seen this. Indirectly, I shown this point. Indirectly, I shown this point. Already we tested it. Okay. Now observe carefully. Java C space hyphen version. What you are getting there? 1.6 version here we are getting. Okay, 1.6 version here we are getting. Now the answer for this question is what there? Right, so now just before that I want to provide this one. Clearly I'm going to provide this. Permanent here we are able to get directly. First of all, 1 minute. Let me open new command prompt. If I open new command prompt, then it will be very good. Yeah. Permanently here we are getting Java C hyphen version. Initially we are getting permanent, no? But if I set path environment variable temporarily, what is it actually? There here if you provide 1.6 version, Java C space hyphen here we are able to get no 1.6 version. Now this here we are able to understand clearly. Right. Now, what happened? Okay, now here we are getting it. No. Also carefully. No answer for this question is what there. If we said, if we said multiple Java softwares to the path environment variable temporarily and permanently, then the Java software which we provided to the path environment variable to the path environment variable temporarily will come to the command prompt. That's now example code here I have given that here we have to understand clearly. Right, so now these are all about the points here what we are understanding about this. Okay. Right. One more small topic is remaining here: batch files information. How to prepare batch files with our Java settings and how to execute the batch files. The topic is remaining, guys. Then before that, I want to talk with you 2 minutes of time. Everybody, guys, now 2 minutes of time here. I'm going to talk with you now. Just give 2 minutes of time for me. Right. Okay.
సార్ డిస్కస్ చెప్పేశాడు
Well,
సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ వాళ్ళకి చెప్పేశాడు రెగ్యులర్ క్యాంప్ బౌలింగ్ బ్యాటింగ్ రుహాన్ ఏమన్నా మ్యాచ్ ఆడుతున్నాడు ఇంకా ఆపల
వాటర్ బాటిల్ తీసుకో అప్పుడు
నాకు ఇలేదే
ఆడుంది కదా వాళ్ళు నుంచున్నావు చూసావా ఎక్కడ పెట్టావు నువ్వు తెచ్చుకోబోటు పెట్టేసి రైట్ గైస్ యా guys then just I want to share some information with all of you just 2 minutes of time don't leave oh yeah dispose oh yeah dispose
నన్ను సార్ పాస్ సార్ పాస్ చేయి
ఎందుకు
సార్ పాస్
guys just 1 minute of time just wait a minute of time 1 minute ah guys just 1 minute guys all of you know are you there yeah Guys, just I'm giving information to all of you. I have my courses at Udemy, guys. I have Java courses at Udemy. I'm giving. I created some coupons for my courses there in Udemy. I created some courses, some coupons for Udemy. Original cost is maybe higher, high cost is available, but I created some coupons. With these coupons, we are able to get the courses with 399 rupees. My courses. I created some coupons for this my courses. Video courses here we are able to get videos. Video classes are available for me. My classes, no. Just one thing here I want to show with you. Now just copy this link here. I provided this link in the document. No, I provided this link in the document here. I think all of you are accessing this document. So just I'm copying this. Just what we have to do, just uh, copy this link, copy this link and open in browser that link. Click on enter button. Automatically here we are able to get my courses now. Now this is my complete course Java and simplify my course video is available. Now just it is like what the 319. Already that coupon is applied here. Durgasoft iPhone 18 is a coupon for it now. Just it is applied. Now here directly here we are able to get all my courses. All my courses in the sense this is one course. Complete course Java in a simple way. In the Udemy, I created some coupons now. The less cost here we are able to get. With the 399 here we are able to get it now. Now here course content is available here. Now overall, now observe carefully. Core Java is available in two parts. No, this is part number one. 509 lectures are available, 11 sections. Nearly 101 hours of content is available. 101 hours of content is available, guys. It is part one only. Similarly, here we are able to have part two also. Similarly, here we are able to have like what there part two also. All right, now let me show this part two also. Again, here just I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to show this. If I click on it, now here we are able to get part 2, complete core Java and simplify part 2. Now here also be existed here. Now nearly 49 hours 46 minutes content is available here. Then different topics. No, core Java. These two parts are available with core Java. Right, sir. Okay. Then apart from this, advanced Java is also be available here. Advanced Java coupons are also be created here. Advanced Java link is also be available. Now just here if you open it now, there here we are able to get that advanced Java JDBC server JSP JSL for web development. There here we are able to get it. Nearly here 92 hours 28 minutes total length course is available. On Udemy these courses are existed, guys. These many courses are available for my courses. No, right, sir. Just my video classes are available. So I created coupons. So each course we are able to get within like what is 399 rupees now. 399 rupees. Within 399 rupees we are able to get all this content, guys. Understand it what I am telling you, know. So here what I am telling to you, everybody has to take these courses, must to take these courses. Everybody must take this course. Why? Because they are going to be useful for you. Then directly my video classes 24/7 we can watch it directly with my video classes. My face is visible there. In our regular class drive, no, my face may not be visible for you, but here my face is available. Then we are able to get it. For frameworks, very soon I'm able to provide, guys, frameworks now. But at present, core Java two parts and advanced Java. Each course we are able to get with the 399. The 399 we are getting after creating the coupons. I applied these coupons now. Just what we have to do, just links here we have to take. That links here we have to paste in the browser. There we have to purchase the courses now. Everybody must take that courses. Okay, then you can refer your friends also, guys. Now the same content I'm going to keep in questions box also. In the questions box also I'm going to provide the same links now, so that we can send these details to your friends also. Then we can send these details to your friends also, no problem. Okay, can you make one file in the Google folder for Udemy link? How it is, no, just drive now. 1 minute, guys. That's nice idea. Anyway, in the document it is available directly, it's available to all of you in the document, no. Then what I am telling there, inside this I'm going to create it. Udemy courses links here I am providing it. I paste this total content. It's okay, guys. Now just I provided this. Now just what I am telling there. Udemy courses link I am giving there. Share to all. No restrictions. Anyone with the link. What options are available here? Mm, Yes, I am copying this link. Done it. I am providing this link, guys. Now here where I am going to provide the link even in the right. Now here what I am telling to you in the chat box. I am sending this link to all of you guys. Now here we can use it. Of course, the same thing. If you open the document there we are able to see that one. Now here I am providing this link also to you. Just you can open it. Okay, just I send it to all of you guys. 1 minute. I am sending it to all. Just open it. Just we can check for it. Okay, then everybody has to take it. No, but one small request, guys. One small request. Everybody has to follow it. Everybody must take these links. Everybody must take these courses. No doubt it is very much useful. Just my lectures only I am providing there. This is one thing. Then what another thing here I am providing to you guys. Now observe carefully. What another thing here I am providing there. Take these courses. After that, ratings are very important. So everybody has to give 5-star rating. Don't think in bad way. Why? Because if you give 5-star rating, other people will be motivated and other people are able to take that courses. So that definitely they are going to get benefit. Why? Because 100 hours of content is available. It is a good effort. At the same time, good benefit we are able to get. That more internal content here we are able to get. Understand it now? So then everybody has to give that 5-star rating for these courses. What are the courses here if you take now? Why? Because if you give that low rating now, the courses are going to be disabled. So don't do that. They give them 5-star rating. Everybody has to give 5-star rating. Don't think in bad way by asking this rating. No, but the point is what there. It will be useful for the other members to get motivation and to get these courses now. See, not in the point of business. Then more content. I'm not thinking even about the business here. More content here I'm providing there. But if I provide somewhat less price, no, then we are able to get benefit in the point of money and in the point of all. That's the reason why I'm talking about this one. Got it? Definitely. Then everybody has to give. Everybody has to give 5-star rating. Remember it. Clear? Yeah. Yes, sir. All of you okay? Take it immediately. It will be very useful. Definitely useful for all of you know. Otherwise, I'll not entertain this kind of thing no inside the class. But definitely, it is a benefit for you. Frameworks I will provide, sir. Sure, definitely. In the future, I will provide frameworks. Even I'm the on the process for it. Okay. Right, guys. Now, shall we? Right, sir. People are asking me with the free of cost now. So that is in third party, right? Third party platform, right? That is not in my hand. I can provide only concessions. Okay, there is no restriction for it to give that. See, there is a restriction for it now to give free of cost now. If I make it as a free of cost now, maybe lakhs of people maybe will be registered for it. So it is not useful there. As the cost is very less, 399 is a very less cost. Just you can think of it. No. Then I'm not thinking. I'm not talking about this bargain and all these things now. Okay. Yeah. But still, people are asking concession, guys. In 399 also, people are asking concession. What I have to do? Arey yaar. Now you only tell me. And you only tell me then how much concession you are expecting there on 399, guys. Now tell me. Really, it's strange for me. How much concession you are expecting there on 399? A total free not possible, sir. Why? Because if I give total free, no, the third party people may not accept it. That Udemy platform may not accept it. From next time, include these things in Durgasoft fees. Then it will better. I'm not getting it. That means then I need to collect 399 extra, na? Then if I collect it, then see then see that one point, guys. One point, guys. I'm telling to you, the problem is what there in Udemy free courses I can create now, but the condition is what there free courses duration might be it will be 2 hours, max 2 hours. I should not provide more than the 2 hours now. Can I provide total job within 2 hours of time? Not possible. Then 100 hours more than 100 hours I need to take now each part here. So because of that reason, free of cost it may not be possible. There's a problem here. Yeah, definitely. Then see whatever the topics which are available to me, whatever the topics which I'm going to be covered, similar classes, no doubt for that. Okay. Yeah. It's okay, guys. That's fine. Now just I'm giving some might be path for you. Just you can take it now. But remember it. Those who are going to take these courses now, provide 5-star rating. That rating is very very important. It will be boost for other students also. Not only you can share these links and all to your friends also. No problem, your friends are also are able to get that benefit regarding this Udemy courses link. Only Udemy courses link you have to share, guys, not our regular class notes. No, our regular class notes everybody every day our admin people are checking it. Udemy courses link you can share to your friends also. Okay. Yeah. Shall we shut down, guys? Then shall we meet on tomorrow? Can I continue on tomorrow? Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. Better take that courses that will be useful for you and give 5-star rating. Thank you.